Hey everybody, welcome to my new YouTube channel, Cooking with Dad. No, I'm not a master trained chef. No, I don't have any sophisticated culinary skills. When my kids were young and still in our house, I did most of the cooking. For whatever reason, my wife and I got into that habit. See, I started my career in the work world working in restaurants, so I learned a few things. But I also liked to cook. So as it worked out in our relationship, most of the time I did the cooking, my wife would then clean up. A little bit of a role reversal, but it worked for us. So as my kids got older and moved out, particularly my daughters, not so much my son, the daughters would call, they go, "Dad, how did you make blah, blah, blah?" And then it was, "Dad, can you send the recipe?" So then I started thinking, why don't I just record a video about it? This was before the YouTube thing entered my mind. So I said, let's do that. I'll record the stuff that I made as kids for you guys. And then when Dad kicks the bucket, you have video history of Dad. We have a permanent record of the stuff that we used to make. The grandkids will see when Grandpop wasn't an old fossil. So I hope you like the stuff we're going to make. It's basic cooking. It's things that you can make on a budget. It's crock pot meals. It's meals that feed a lot of people for not a lot of dollars. Again, not sophisticated, real basic cooking. I hope you enjoy it. We'll be putting up videos here and there. Like and subscribe if you want to. I'm happy to share it with the world. Mostly, I'm just doing it for my daughters because I love them and I want them to have some proof of the stuff that Dad used to make.